Hey, what's up, family? In today's video, I will share a bit more insight on a question I was asked in the comments of my last video. Why did I not fill the pots to the top with soil? That said, let's begin. Hello, my name is Mia and welcome to my humble abode. My Afro-Bohemian Homestead is a channel dedicated to showing city dwellers how they can use their space to live a more self-sufficient, sustainable, and simple life. So if you're interested in learning more ways that you can apply food preservation, DIY projects, and urban gardening to your space, then you have come to the right place. So in today's video, I not only wanted to give you guys a check-in on the progress of my container garden, but I also wanted to answer a common question that was asked of me when it came to my pots. So with that being said, let's begin. Since I posted my last video, Easy Steps to Start a Garden on Your Front Porch, one of the most common questions I get is about why it's important to leave space at the top of the container when planting. This simple practice serves several important purposes, such as water drainage, soil expansion, air circulation, and plant maintenance. We're going to cover all four in this video. First and foremost, it's about water drainage. Proper drainage is crucial to prevent water from pooling at the bottom of the container, which can lead to root rot and other issues. By leaving some space at the top, you're allowing water to drain more efficiently to avoid oversaturation. Secondly is soil expansion. As you water your plants, the soil will naturally expand and settle over time. Leaving some space at the top allows for this natural process without spilling over the sides of the container. To show you an example of how too much soil can cause issues with water drainage and soil expansion, here's a house plant that I recently potted. I purposely overfilled it to show how the water can overflow and dirt can get everywhere. As you can see, although the pot is rather small, it still managed to overflow and leave some mess that I had to clean up. Next up is air circulation. Good airflow is essential for healthy root systems and overall plant health. By not packing the soil too tightly and leaving some room at the top, you can ensure that air can circulate freely, reducing the risk of fungal growth and promoting a healthier plant environment. And finally, leaving space allows for easy addition of fertilizer and extra soil as the plant grows. Plants need nutrients to thrive, and having that extra room means you could top off the soil and add fertilizer as needed without making a mess. As I mentioned before, when I initially put the plants in the container, I used Dr. Earth's homegrown organic and natural crafted blend, but to add more nutrients as I'm watering every other week or two, I add Jack's Classic all-purpose water-soluble plant food. If I notice that the soil settles and get lower as the plant grows, I'll begin adding more soil mixture to the pot to support the plant. I usually play this by ear and only add soil as needed. So, there you have it. By leaving some space in your containers, you're allowing your plants success for more growth, better water drainage, soil expansion, air circulation, and more. If you have not already, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe button, and notification bell to join the family. It helps us out tremendously. And I want you guys to stay tuned because the next two projects we have on the container garden is adding some companion plants like magnolias and also investing in a larger vertical garden. We're going to see if we can get one here for our cool crops. So with that being said, thanks for tuning in, guys, and stay super-tastic and happy gardening.